Photography is an art form that constantly evolves, and as photographers, it is essential for us to continually push our boundaries and explore new possibilities. Stepping out of our comfort zones and embracing experimentation can not only enhance our technical skills, but also foster creativity and help us develop a unique photographic style. In this article, we will delve into the importance of trying new things, from exploring different genres to experimenting with alternative techniques and equipment, ultimately broadening your photographic horizons. 1. Shooting in different genres. One of the most exciting aspects of being a photographer is the endless possibilities for growth and exploration within the craft. While specializing in a particular genre can help you hone your skills and develop a signature style, branching out and experimenting with different types of photography can truly elevate your artistry to new heights. Venturing into uncharted territory, such as trying your hand at portraiture or street photography if you are accustomed to shooting landscapes, opens up a world of creative opportunities. Each genre comes with its own set of challenges and nuances, pushing you to think outside the box and approach photography from a fresh perspective. Engaging with diverse subjects not only expands your technical abilities but also cultivates your artistic vision. Through the lens of a portrait photographer, you may discover the art of capturing raw emotions and telling compelling stories through faces. On the streets, you might learn to anticipate fleeting moments and document the vibrant energy of urban life. By immersing yourself in different genres, you will not only broaden your skill set, but also deepen your understanding of photography as a whole. The experience of stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing unfamiliar subjects will fuel your creativity, spark new ideas, and ultimately transform you into a more versatile and well-rounded photographer. Embrace the challenges, embrace the learning, and watch as your photography skills soar to new heights. 2. Exploring alternative techniques. In addition to exploring different genres of photography, experimenting with alternative techniques can truly be a transformative experience for any photographer. By delving into practices such as long exposure, macro photography, or experimental lighting, artists can unlock a whole new realm of creative possibilities. These techniques not only provide a fresh perspective on the world, but also push us to expand our technical skills and artistic vision. Long exposure photography, for example, allows us to capture the passage of time in a single frame, creating mesmerizing images that convey movement and fluidity in a static medium. On the other hand, macro photography enables us to explore the intricate details of the world around us, revealing the beauty in the smallest of subjects that often go unnoticed. Experimenting with unconventional lighting setups can completely transform the mood and atmosphere of a scene, adding depth and drama to our photographs. Engaging with alternative techniques challenges us to break free from conventional norms, encouraging us to think outside the box and approach photography in innovative ways. It pushes us out of our comfort zones and compels us to embrace the unknown, leading to unexpected and breathtaking results that can spark a newfound passion for our craft. By venturing into uncharted territory, we open ourselves up to a world of creative possibilities and endless opportunities for growth and self-discovery. 3. Embracing new equipment. Photography is a multifaceted art form that goes beyond just capturing images. The tools a photographer uses play a significant role in shaping the final outcome of their work. Experimenting with various equipment, whether it's different types of lenses, filters, or even cameras, can lead to exciting discoveries and unlock new creative pathways. Each piece of equipment brings its own set of capabilities and characteristics to the table. For example, a wide-angle lens can capture sweeping landscapes with dramatic depth, while a macro lens can reveal intricate details in tiny subjects. Filters can enhance colors, create unique effects, or control light in ways that can transform a mundane scene into a captivating masterpiece. Investing time in understanding how each tool functions and experimenting with them can help photographers expand their artistic horizons. By pushing the boundaries of their equipment, photographers can challenge themselves to see the world in fresh ways and translate their unique vision into compelling visual stories. While technical proficiency is crucial, the creative use of tools can elevate photography to a whole new level. Embracing new equipment not only broadens the possibilities for expression, but also fosters growth and innovation in the art of photography. So don't hesitate to explore new gear and let your creativity soar to new heights. 4. Unconventional angles and compositions. To truly see the world through fresh eyes and unleash your creativity in photography, it is essential to embrace experimentation with unconventional angles and compositions. Stepping away from the constraints of traditional rules allows you to dive into a realm of endless possibilities and discover unique perspectives. Venture into uncharted territory by getting down low to the ground, climbing to elevated vantage points, or contorting your body into unusual positions to capture scenes from a fresh and intriguing viewpoint. Embracing these unconventional methods opens up a world of creativity and allows you to break free from the confines of conformity. Playing with composition techniques such as the rule of thirds, leading lines, and negative space can add layers of visual interest and depth to your photographs. By strategically incorporating these elements into your work, you can create images that not only captivate the viewer, but also convey a sense of artistry and intentionality. By pushing yourself to see the world through a different lens and challenging your preconceived notions of photography, you can unlock a whole new realm of artistic expression. Embrace the freedom to experiment, play, and innovate, and you will find yourself creating visually compelling images that truly stand out from the crowd. Conclusion: experimenting and trying new things in photography is a journey of self-discovery and growth. By stepping out of your comfort zone, exploring different genres, experimenting with alternative techniques, embracing new equipment, and playing with unconventional angles and compositions, you will expand your skill set, nurture your creativity, and develop a unique photographic style. Remember, the path to becoming an extraordinary photographer lies in continuously challenging yourself and being open to the endless possibilities that photography offers. So go ahead, take that leap, and let your creative spirit soar.